I'm going to show you how to scan PDF documents and send them to BidLab. This can be used for sending history of patients which are referred for triple marker, dual marker or quadruple marker testing. So let us see how we can use ScanBot application for doing this. You download ScanBot from Play Store, and this is a ScanBot application. Now depending on how many pages you want to send, we'll have to decide whether it's a single page or a multi-page document. For example, here we want to send these 2 pages to BidLab. For this we click on multi-page. So the multi-page output is selected. Then we take the camera, mobile right over the document and click on the screen so that the document is in focus, and click on the camera icon. So this causes the camera focus to be taken. After that we go to the next page. Again select the required history, click on the screen to get in focus and click on the second page. So once we have taken this, we can go to these 2 pages. Now we have the option of selecting the part of the screen which is to be which can be cropped. For example, if we have to select, we can use this icon to select how much of this image is to be selected. For example, here we can decide to edit and remove unwanted portions, and we can click on done, and then we can go to the next page. Here also we can click on crop. After we click on crop, we can select how much is to be saved, and we can do done. After we have done this, then we can enter the sample ID of this patient. It can be say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the possible name. After we have done this, we say done, and then we say save. When we say save it, we should save it as combined documents. And while doing this, I will click on share. So once I click on share, it will open options for document. So I click on PDF, and now I can select the Telegram app to send messages. So when I send a Telegram app to send messages, I can select whatever numbers we want to send to. For example, I'm going to now send it to our IT department. If I select this and if I click on send, this PDF is sent to our IT department. So this is how you can basically take scanned images, convert them to PDF and send to us. Thank you so much.